I chose a university because it's a very diverse environment, and I think that here the classes are smaller, you feel more comfortable, you have much more support, and I think it gives you a lot of opportunities for personal growth. Every time I faced a difficulty in the university, I found so many solutions and I felt supported in many different ways. So when I had difficulties in statistics, I reached out to my professors and they were really helpful. They offered me office hours, they were available for tutoring me. My day-to-day, I normally wake up and then I come to university, and my lunch break sometimes I have here around with my friends, and then we work on some group projects. And over the weekends we also have to do some readings, but also like enjoying with my friends. I would advise students for the first year to reach out their professors, reach out other students, reach out their advisor or a mentor. If they have any problems in university, it's just a matter of like reaching out to someone and asking them for help, because there's so many ways that the university can support you, and I don't think they should be wasting that.